Hi everyone, it's Teresa. Welcome back to my channel. A couple of things. I know it seems like it's been a little bit since I posted a video, but I got a new video camera for Christmas and I'm trying to get it to work. I mean, it works, but what I mean is trying to get it to where I can film decently, trying, the ins and outs of it. I've filmed, this is the third video that I've tried to film, and the first two were two-part videos because I was working with resin, and the first video, or the first part of the video, when I tried to download it on the computer, was corrupt. So the second part was fine. So fingers crossed this works. So what I have today is some stuff that I purchased from Temu. They were having an after Christmas sale, so I bought some things, and I was a little aggravated with them too, because out of the last two orders, one item out of each order they've shipped by sea. I have an item that I'm waiting for that I bought for my husband for Christmas, and I bought it in the middle of December and it's not here yet, so it's aggravating. But enough ranting, let's get on with the goodies. Now this isn't a big order. I literally only ordered like 5 things. So this first thing here is car coaster kit, and this was $8.49. Excuse me. And there should be some coasters with it, because it should have the gosh, I can't think or speak. It's got the bags, and it's got like the little cards that you put them on, and it was supposed to be a 100-piece set, so hopefully my coasters are in there. But like I said, $8.49. Okay, this next thing is resin molds. These are Christmas ornaments, and the reason I bought them is our son moved out a year and a half ago, and he got himself a Christmas tree, and we went over there, and he had 6 ornaments on his tree. And I'm like, where are all your ornaments? I don't have any, Mom. So I hurried up and made a bunch and gave to him, and I want to make some nice ones in the next few weeks and give to him. But this set of 4 was $2.67. And then this is a little mousse resin coaster. It's a keychain. So this one was $1.09. So I'm hoping it'll be cute. And then I got a snowflake Christmas ornament. Like I said, I want to make some ornaments for my son. And then this was $5.98. If I can open it here. Now this is supposed to be a 600-piece kit, hypoallergenic, and it's to make, I want to try and make some earrings. So, you've got the 2 different kinds of backings, and you've got the plates for the big, medium, and the small. So I have some jewelry molds that I've gotten, and I thought I'd try my hand at making earrings. And then, yes, I know, glutton for punishment, I bought another one of these molds. This is from a different seller, though. The first mold that I got like this, the first time I used it when I was demolding it, the mold broke. I mean, the ornament turned out beautiful, but my mold ripped, which upset me. And that's it. No coasters. So I guess I will be emailing them. But that's all I had for today. Have you done any after Christmas shopping? There's tons and tons of deals out there. So, good luck if you are going out shopping. I know we went to Walmart a few days ago and everything was pretty picked over. But I'm going to quit rambling on and we'll see you again next week. Bye!